Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 26, 2026, and we're diving into IonQ's recently released earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. IonQ has certainly made waves in the quantum computing industry, and their latest earnings report is packed with significant developments.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. IonQ reported an impressive $130 million in annual revenue, marking a 202% year-over-year growth. For the fourth quarter alone, they recognized $61.9 million in revenue. John, what does this tell us about IonQ's market position?
These figures are quite remarkable, especially for a company in the nascent quantum computing sector. The 202% year-over-year growth indicates strong commercial traction and organic growth. IonQ's ability to exceed both top and bottom line guidance showcases their strategic positioning and execution in the market.
And they reported a net income of $753.7 million for Q4. How significant is this?
It's a substantial achievement, reflecting not only operational success, but also strategic financial management. This net income positions IonQ as a leader in the quantum space, capable of leveraging their technology for substantial financial gains.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. IonQ has announced some strategic moves, including the acquisition of SkyWater technology and an expanded agreement with Quantum Basel. Can you elaborate on these initiatives?
Absolutely. The acquisition of SkyWater technology is a strategic move to bolster IonQ's position as a leading quantum merchant supplier. This acquisition will enhance their manufacturing capabilities and ensure a reliable supply chain. The expanded $60 million agreement with Quantum Basel further solidifies their market presence, showcasing their ability to secure long-term, high-value contracts.
And what about the sale of the 100-qubit system to KISTI?
This sale is pivotal as it anchors Korea's largest quantum classical compute platform. It highlights IonQ's technological prowess and their role in advancing hybrid AI and HPC strategies globally.
Financial metrics and analyst expectations. IonQ reported an adjusted EPS of 24th quarter, which is a significant beat compared to the forecasted EPS of 48 by analysts. John, what does this tell us about IonQ's financial health?
This is a clear indication that IonQ is outperforming market expectations. Beating the EPS forecast by such a margin suggests strong operational efficiencies and cost management. It also reflects positively on their ability to generate revenue and manage expenses effectively.
With only 4 analysts covering the stock, how does this impact investor perception?
Fewer analysts mean less coverage, which can lead to volatility in stock price reactions. However, IonQ's performance speaks for itself, and such a significant beat can attract more analyst coverage and investor interest moving forward.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, IonQ has provided guidance for 2026, expecting revenue between $225 million and $245 million. What are your thoughts on this outlook?
The guidance reflects continued confidence in their growth trajectory. The projected revenue range indicates a strong pipeline and demand for their quantum solutions. However, the anticipated adjusted EBITDA loss suggests ongoing investments in R&D and expansion, which are crucial for long-term growth.
And for the first quarter of 2026, they expect revenue between $48 million and $51 million. How does this align with their annual goals?
This quarterly guidance aligns well with their annual targets, setting a solid foundation for the year. It indicates that IonQ is on track to meet its ambitious growth plans, driven by strategic initiatives and market expansion.
Key takeaways. In summary, IonQ has delivered a strong performance with $130 million in revenue and an adjusted EPS of 20 cents, significantly beating the forecast. Their strategic initiatives, including the SkyWater acquisition, position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
IonQ's results are impressive, and their strategic moves indicate a promising future. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of these plans and the evolving quantum market landscape.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on IonQ's performance in the comments below.